Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm excited to bring you another practical computer science tutorial today. In this video, we're covering how to open a private or incognito browsing session in Google Chrome, perfect if you want to browse without saving your history or cookies. We'll go step by step, whether you're on Windows, Mac, or any device with Chrome, and I'll share some tips to avoid common issues. Let's browse privately, stick with me, and let's get started. Alright, let's dive in. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Click the three dots in the top right corner, then select New Incognito window from the menu. A new window will pop up, it'll have a dark theme and an incognito icon letting you know you're in private mode. You can now browse without Chrome saving your history or cookies, but remember, this won't hide your activity from websites or your internet provider. One tip: if the incognito window doesn't open, check if Chrome is up to date. Go to the three dots, click Help, then About Google Chrome to update. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support encourages me to keep creating content like this, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments why you use incognito mode. I'd love to hear. See you in the next video.